How much money in ads should you be spending every single month on Facebook? The answer is none, because of the 3 different strategies that I'm going to tell you about today. I had people that were reaching out to me and were wanting to join with what I was doing, and I was excited about that, but I wanted to speed it up a little bit more. And I decided that it was time to run some ads. So I hired an ad expert, I crafted an ad, and I posted it up, and I got nothing the first month. Nobody clicked on it. But in the meantime, because of the social media posts that I was making, people were still joining with me and wanting to do what I was doing. The second month it ran, I reached out to my ad person and I said, okay, where are all these people that are going to join me as a result of the ad? And she said, you just got to be patient a little bit longer. So I was patient during that entire second month as this ad ran. And nobody clicked on the ad. Nobody joined me because of the ad. But in the meantime, I still had people that were joining with what I was doing because of the posts that I was doing on Facebook. The same thing continued that third month. At the end of that 3-month period, I was out thousands of dollars. Nobody had clicked on my ad, nobody had joined my team, and nobody wanted to know anything about what I was doing. But during that same time period, it had 25 people join what I was doing. How did I do that? I created a group. The fastest way to position yourself as an expert and find those people that are interested in what you're doing is to create a group on Facebook. When you create a group on Facebook, you are able to easily identify who's super interested in what you're doing and who is not. And now you can create posts specifically designed and geared for those people that are in your group. And those people are going to go hog wild over it because it's a topic and a niche that they're interested in. When you've got promotions, this is the perfect place to introduce them. And you've already got this group full of buyers and customers that are eager and excited about the things that you're promoting. This is also a place that you can encourage people to talk about their experiences using your products. As people talk about their experience using their products, the other member of your group are going to see it and they're going to naturally want to try that product out for themselves, which is going to create more and more sales for you without having to do any extra work at all. Your group is going to do the heavy lifting for you and it's going to provide the social proof that you need in order to build a big, strong team and create a predictable monthly income. In addition, the coolest thing about having your own Facebook group is that as you've got people joining your group and as people are commenting on your group, Facebook will actually promote it for you for free. It will show up in people's suggested lists of groups that they should join. Facebook is a business and Facebook wants people to stay on their platform. So as you create a group that's fun and that people want to join, Facebook is going to share it out with people and ask them if they'd also like to join your group. So for example, if your group is all about healthy eating, Facebook will tell other people that are interested in healthy eating that they should be part of your group as well. So you're going to get people asking to join your group that you do not know and that you are not friends with. On your regular profile, you're limited to 5,000 friends, but your group is not limited at all. So you can have 5,000 people in your group, 10,000 people in your group, 100,000 people in your group. And these are now all targeted people that are your right audience that are going to be excited about what you're doing. The greatest news about a group, though, is that you don't have to have 5,000 people in your group or 10,000 people in your group to make a difference. I started having people join my team and my programs when my group only had 50 people in it. But it worked because they were all the right targeted audience. So as you're building your group, don't send it out to everybody and ask them to join, because it's not about the quantity of people in your group, it's about the quality of the people in your group. So make sure that as you're putting people into your group and as people are asking to join your group, that they are the right people for your group, because Facebook will send it out to more people that are already like the people in your group. So if you've asked Aunt Sally to join your group, but she is not the right person for your company and your products, it's actually going to hurt you, not help you. So keep that in mind as you're starting your group. But when you have that group of targeted people that are super excited about what you're doing and are passionate about your niche just like you are, it's going to grow like wildfire and you're going to have people every single month asking to know more and becoming customers and team members. Would you like some extra help finding your target audience? Come join the next round of the Social Media Blitz. Finding your target audience and your perfect people is so important that we spend several days deep diving that, because if you do not have the right target audience, your business will never grow. The second way to have Facebook promote your business for you is by using other groups. Find groups that people have already established that have your perfect people in them. As you go in there, be a cheerleader, be a friend. If people have questions inside that group, go inside and answer them. If you don't know the answer to the questions that people are asking, Google it, find out the information, and then go back and answer that question. Do not post your links to your products. Do not share the name of your company. Just go in there and be that group's greatest supporter. As you answer questions and as you create relationships inside this group, your profile picture is going to start showing up all over the place. People are going to naturally be curious about what you're doing. They'll check out your profile, they'll send you a friend request, and they'll ask for more information. This happens as a result of being consistent in other people's groups. This is exactly what Victoria did. She was in a slump. She was going into groups, but she wasn't having any luck finding her perfect people. She wasn't sure what to do with groups. After we started working together, she started using groups more effectively, and her business exploded, which turned out to be the greatest blessing ever. Her husband had some heart trouble and ended up in the hospital, and she had to walk away from her business for a month. But even though she wasn't actively posting on social media at that time, because of the networks that she'd set up inside other people's groups, her business still continued to grow, and it allowed her the time to be able to take off from her business and spend it concentrating on her 2 little girls and on her husband. Let me know in the comments, have you ever gotten a customer or a team member as a result of being in someone else's group? People want to join winning teams. Nobody wants to sign up for the losing team. The fastest way to create momentum and growth for your business is by using social proof. Share testimonials of people that are using the products and joining your team and how it's changing their lives. What did their life look like before? What problem were they trying to solve? And how did network marketing and joining your team and using your products solve those problems for them? As you share these stories and as you share people's journeys and their testimonials, people will naturally be interested in wanting to know more, because if it worked for that person, it's going to work for them as well. Not only that, but people love recognition. They're going to be excited that you noticed them, and it's going to make them look like a rock star in addition to having people join your team and become customers. If you haven't done so already, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.